aking anak at magiging anak. Maraming salamat sa surprise sa birthday gift. Maraming salamat anak. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos.
Magandang hapon po, samahan niyo po kami sa Malate, Manila upang maghatid ng sorpresa at saya para sa karawan ni Ma'am Adoracion. Ito po ay nanggaling kay Ma'am Ren all the way from abroad. Milya-milya man ang layo, hindi hadlang ang distansya upang maiparamdam ni Ma'am Ren ang taos-pusong pagmamahal para kay Ma'am Adoracion. Sa iyo po, Ma'am Adoracion, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in life. More birthdays to come. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Paalis kami, bibili kami puto ng Rodi.
Nagtulog po. At dahil sa arawan niyo po, ma'am, happy birthday po. Siyempre, meron po kayong flower bouquet. Siyempre, may kasama po itong birthday message. Ma'am, dahil sa arawan niyo po, nasaan na lang po namin ang birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Muna bago blow the pan. Yan po ma'am, happy birthday. Mama, saan po ang nakalagay sa cake? Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday po. At dahil kaarawan niyo po ma'am, syempre may kasama po itong birthday message. Pero bago po yan ma'am kasahin, pakilala po muna kami. Kami na po pala ang Metro Manila Nandito po kami upang gawin extra special ang inyong araw. To the amazing woman who is the love of my life and welcome me into her family with open arms. Thank you for continual sacrifice, guidance, and unconditional love. You give me a gracious man with whom I share my life. Words are not enough to express my gratitude and tell you how much I need you, Mama. Can't wait to call you Mama. Di po ako nagsasawang mahalin at suplisain ka lagi. Happy birthday! Celebrating the grace of my soon-to-be mother on her special day. Happy birthday, Ma'am! Ma'am, kamusta? Na-surprise mo ba? Ma'am, paalis na ako. Sige po, Ma'am. Message po kay Ma'am Ren. Nanonood po siya. Message niyo po sa sender natin kay Ma'am Ren kung ano masasabi niyo po sa aking anak at magiging anak. Maraming salamat sa surprise sa birthday gift. Maraming salamat anak. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos. Message kayo kay Lola?
Mother, happy birthday. Sana gumaling mo yung kamay mo para makakilos mo. And sana umababa yung buhay mo kasi makikita mo pa kami magtrabaho. Ayun na, happy birthday.
Yan, ang bait naman ng apo. Sige mo ma'am, kung wala na din message kami po ma'am, pagbati din po sa inyo. Sa iyo po ma'am, Adoracion, nabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you po sa happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day more. Happy birthday po, kararating ko ng galing work. And lastly po sa aming sender kay Ma'am Ren, all the way from abroad ma'am. In behalf of Metro Manila inyong napili upang may hatid po itong sorpresa para kay Ma'am Adoracion. Ang patuloy lang po pagmamahal sa isa't isa, lagi po kayo dyan mag-iisa. Kayo po ulit, ma'am. Happy birthday. Thank you, ma'am.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.